Hey there, this is for Aquarius. This is a general reading to bring information and insight about money, job, and career for December 2024. It might not connect with you 100%, but some parts might. And if it doesn't connect at all, check back next month or check back the first week of December. I'm going to post a winter season pick a card. So let's get started. First one is legal. You might have to take care of some legal matters related to financial issues. You could receive money from some kind of legal matter. This is a good time to handle any legal matters involving money. Second one is counseling. You heal with kind words, wise advice, and an empathetic ear. Third one is one of keys, the architect. And the tarot cards are the Five of Swords, Queen of Swords, Five of Cups, Six of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and King of Cups. So I'm going to read from the book for the architect. At a mundane level, you could find yourself involved in a building project or renovating and redecorating your home or workplace. Most important, this card shows that it's time for you to step into a position of power. In order to do that, you must recognize your talents and strengths, as well as your authority to take charge. An opportunity beckons that utilizes your skills perfectly. Feel the command and you have over the great scope of this situation and take charge. Feel your talents and power stir within you as you design the destiny you seek. Okay, so I'm going to get started with the Five of Swords. So it looks like there was conflicts about money, and this could have been at your job, and or just money in general. There could have been arguments at work, maybe about money. There was restrictions, stress, and maybe listening to the opinions of too many people and feeling defeated, and for some being taken advantage of. And maybe there was a lot of family or work demands here, and you had to accept what you cannot change. And then here with the Five of Cups, so maybe you felt a feeling of regret, failure, and disappointment from the conflicts at work, and it could have led to financial loss, job loss, or both. So only you know what that means. And then we're going to go to the counseling here. So I feel like this is you getting counseling, and that's going to be with a combination of the Queen of Swords and the King of Cups. I feel like it's one person, and I feel like it's a combination of you having this energy and a counselor and advisor having that energy. So with the Queen of Swords, it's an advisor, and they're confident in what they say, and they act with logic and reason. They have clarity, and they're objective. And maybe in the past, you experienced fear about stepping into your full power and struggled with setting boundaries or expressing your voice. But you have the strength and the intellectual power to overcome this, and you set the boundaries. And with the King of Cups, it's also an advisor, a counselor. They're emotionally balanced, and they handle conflicts. They manage change. They're diplomatic, practical, and logical. and they remain level-headed and calm when faced with interpersonal conflict. So I have a feeling that's the energy of you taking on both, and also this advisor, this counselor here. And then we're going to move to the architect here. So it said, recognize your talents and strengths. An opportunity calls to you to use your skills, and you design the destiny you seek. And that's what has to do with these legal matters here. So the legal matters, and then it ties into the Hierophant here, where it's professional advice, also a counselor, contracts being signed, the law and government is involved, and also it's a mentor that's a connection with organizations and institutions. So yeah, all this is about you getting some type of legal counseling from here. This person here, it could be a couple people, different people from different institutions, or maybe just one. Only you would know how that fits in. And with the legal card, it said you could receive money in legal matters. So with the Six of Pentacles here, after you've, gone through these legal matters through the institution, government, maybe you had to go to court, and there's financial news on the way. There's compensation, money that is owed to you from some legal situation, lawsuit, contracts, agreements, and compromises. So there's financial support, material help, a loan, donations, and also it speaks of a mentor too. So yeah, there's lots of counseling here going on. And then also it says with the, where does it say about the money? Yeah. This is a good time to handle any legal matters involving money. And for that, if there's money from this, and it says there is from all these cards, so you're going to keep your money safe in, a bank, a credit union, some type of institution, and lessons are learned from all of this. And we're going to go to this card here. I see how, I feel like this is you here. And like this is his sword, so he's done battling. It's facing down. So he has these two swords from these other two people, right? So he's won here. And then there's two other swords down here, and it's like maybe you've had to gone through this maybe with another institution, company, or conflicts with, maybe from something else. So you're going to win at all cost here. You may be hurt and bruised here, but you're going to get through this. So yeah, you may be in the middle of all this month, and because of the holidays, with the closings and people taking time off and how the government, shuts down, it might take a little more time. So yeah, like it says here, you could receive, right here, you could receive money from some kind of legal matter. So yeah, but with the Six of Pentacles, it says financial support and financial news on the way, compensation, money that is owed to you. And then also with the Five of Cups here, they're disappointed here, but and the Three Cups are laying down, but the Two Cups are standing up. So that means balanced finances, financial security, helpful business partnership. Maybe that comes along after that. And there's good relations with colleagues, maybe at this new job that you have or a different job that you've had after these conflicts from another place that you had. But yeah, your finances are going to balance out here and here. Okay, so that's not for everyone, but only you know if it's for you. All right, we get a couple cards here. My 2 cents. Let's see what happens. First one is, don't forget to pat yourself on the back for how far you have come. Good job. Yeah, it looks like you've been through a lot here. And second one is, positive people charge your energy, negative people drain your energy. Yeah, so those are those negative people, businesses, company, institutions, and positive people. This court's helping you out here, institutions. Okay, that was your reading. And if this helped in any way, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.